In this video, we'll show you how to replace the turbocharger bypass solenoid on your Ford F-150. This is located under the engine cover and in the engine bay. Let's get started. First, we need to remove the engine cover. In order to remove the engine cover, we need to remove the oil cap. Now we can just pull up on the front, pull towards the front of the vehicle, and we can set this off to the side. And we can reinstall the oil cap. We have 3 hoses with a small pinch type hose clamp on them. I'll be using a set of needle nose pliers. Go ahead and remove those hose clamps. And give the hoses a twist to break them free, but you want to be very careful not to damage the hose or any of the plastic lines. We have a metal clip on the back side of the electrical connector. You have a space. You can stick either a flathead screwdriver. I'm just continuing to use my needle nose here. You can pop that clip up. Once it's popped up on one side, should be able to pull it out. We can unplug our electrical connector. I want to check for any corrosion or damage to the terminals. These look good. We have a plastic clip. I'm using a plastic trim tool. You can certainly use a flathead screwdriver to do this. Go ahead and pull this out, and there we have it. Slide the solenoid onto its tab. You can work that all the way down. Install our plastic clip. Make sure that's fully seated. Go ahead and plug in the electrical connector. While pushing in on the electrical connector, you can go ahead and install the metal tab. Make sure your connector doesn't want to pull back out, and we can go ahead and reinstall our hoses. To reinstall our engine cover, we'll remove the oil cap. There's 2 tabs towards the back. And simply line the grommets up. And we'll reinstall our oil cap. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.